Hello YouTubers, welcome to the Riding with Rick channel. I'm Rick, and today my son and I are going to head up to Sant Airport in Bucks County. If you've never been, it's a great place to hang out, bikes, cars, biplanes, etc. So ride along with us.
Okay, YouTubers. As I was saying, my son and I are heading up to Sant Airport in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. If you've never been, it's a neat little hangout. Motorcycles, classic cars, all different kinds of rides. And it all surrounds a grass strip airport. And I don't know how crowded or busy it will be on a Thursday afternoon, but I know on the weekends they always have some type of thing going on. I mean, you could buy, they got a little shack up there that you could buy hot dogs and hamburgers, sodas. I let people just go up there and just kind of hang out. I figured it'd be a fun little destination for my son, who hasn't been out on his motorcycle in a little bit. So we're on Route 663, headed northbound. We're going to go through Quakertown and past Lake Nakamixon and kind of take the back roads into Sant Airport.
Alright, so we've worked our way up to Sant Airport. It's a neat little place. Nobody's up here right now, but usually you'll see motorcycles parked all the way down to the end of the road here on either side, and then they'll park. You'll see classic cars, MGs, that kind of stuff parked up here. They'll have barbecues going. The little building on the left-hand side, it's really windy, so nobody's flying today, but the little building up here on the left-hand side is they'll sell hot dogs and hamburgers out of there. It's just a neat little place to hang out. It's actually a grass runway, and if you look out here into the field, this is the runway here. So you'll see biplanes, a little crop duster up in the hangar there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a neat little place to hang out. We're going to sit here for a little bit and use that porta potty right there maybe, and kind of headed home.
Okay, so all roads don't lead you to the promised land. What do you think, Ty? We can make it?
I don't know.
I say this is a turnaround kind of situation.
I'm gonna have to go down here a little bit too.
You need flat ground. Be careful; it might be a little soft up in there.
Oh, I'm just walking it.
Where are you exactly?
Oh,
you're way up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to come down here.
Oh?
Oh, look at the size of that bird.
Well, I'm just gonna come down here to where it starts to get flat.
Yeah, anywhere you can get a little turnaround. Just be careful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to four-wheel it out of here myself.
It's kind of fun, huh?
Well.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm literally just gonna go right over here where it's flat. Yep.
I'll tell you what. I love the walking modes, the reverse and the forward mode in this motorcycle.
Yeah, 'cause I'm like this.
Yeah, let's see how you do up there, Ty. Oh, yeah. Come on, work those legs.
Hell yeah, motherfucker.
Are you doing good? You're good. All right, so we're nonetheless for the wear back here. We're back up on solid road. Well, Bucks County, the backwoods of Bucks County are not they're not great roads. Some are, some aren't. But it is easy to get off on a road that washes out. And so I was just telling my son, I don't mind too much riding on gravel or dirt, but I draw the line at a river. Okay, so what turned out to be a What started out to be a nice little leisurely ride up to Sant Airport kind of turned into a disaster. As you can see, my TPMS light is flashing, and that's because I'm losing air in the rear tire. Stopped and filled up the rear tire to limp it home. I ran it down to about 26 psi, to the point where the rear tire was feeling kind of squishy. It's already down to 33. We think it's a stone that's embedded in the tire. So I'm anxious to get the bike home. We're about maybe 2 miles from home now. I'm going to get the bike up in the air just to get an idea of what's causing the leak, and then I make a decision whether I plug it or I buy a brand new tire. There goes whatever riding I had planned this weekend is done. So anyway, stay tuned for the conclusion of this video when I get this bike up in the air and take a peek at the rear tire. Trying to get home before it's complete darkness.
Okay, so we got the bike home and I got it up in the air, and I'm just kind of looking for the culprit. So far, right there. I don't know if that's a stone or a nail, but that kind of sucks because that is this is a brand new tire, literally a brand new tire, and well, you know, probably let's find out if that's the only problem. Yeah, that's it. Just the way that it is, it's kind of a long indent. I don't know if it's I don't want to pull it out because I want, you know, whatever air in the tire, but it's a question of, at this point in time, whether I plug it or I just go replace the tire. Well, folks, it's been an interesting ride today. In my 40 years of riding, I've never had a flat tire on a motorcycle or picked up a stone or anything. So, you know, it's bound to happen, but thank God for the Honda TPMS. It worked exactly how it's supposed to work, gave me fair warning, and I could actually monitor the air on the rear tire very closely. It was losing air slowly, not to a point where I actually should pull the motorcycle over. We had a long way to go from the time that the sensor went off, so we filled it up with air at a gas station and made our way home. And sure enough, you know, it's definitely losing air. So I got to make a decision whether I'm going to plug that tire or I'm actually going to go replace the tire completely. Probably lean on the side of caution and safety and just replace the tire. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Click that like button, and if you leave a comment, I'll comment on your comment. Thanks for watching.